Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter number 5, Manufacturing Industries. In this chapter, we are going to see that how the raw materials are transformed into usable products and what is the development of manufacturing industries, what is the need of manufacturing. Production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw material to more valuable product is known as manufacturing. As I previously said, in manufacturing what is done, production of goods in a larger amount, transforming them from raw materials to the valuable products is known as manufacturing. Here are some examples. Sugar from sugarcane, cloth from cotton, paper from wood, iron from iron ore. So these are some examples that how raw materials are transformed into valuable products. Secondly, we come to the need of manufacturing. Now we have learned the definition of manufacturing. We have seen some examples also. Now we will see that what is the need of manufacturing, why it is necessary to transform the raw materials into valuable products. First, economic strength of a country is measured from the development of manufacturing industries. Now, in this line, we have seen that the development of manufacturing industries, the more of manufacturing industries, the more of economic growth, the more of money. Okay, economic growth is directly or indirectly related with the term money. So, the development of manufacturing industries increases the economic strength of a country. It is the backbone of our economy. Obviously, to run an economy, to develop an economy, we need money, we need economic growth. So that is the economic strength, that is development of manufacturing industries. The more of manufacturing industries, the more of economic strength. Second, they reduce the dependence of people on agriculture. Secondly, now if you are running manufacturing industries, then you need labor, you need workers, okay? So people will get more of employment and they will be less dependent on agriculture. Third, providing jobs. As I previously said, manufacturing industries gives employment to the workers. Export of manufactured goods. Okay. Now transforming of raw materials into valuable products are exported and imported to different countries also. Okay. So this also helps that export of manufactured goods. Fourth, we have bring foreign exchange. Now, obviously, if you are exporting or importing goods to different countries, okay, or you are importing goods from different countries, then it will help in foreign exchange also. Your foreign currencies are also going to be exchanged, okay. So this brings foreign exchange. Eradicates poverty and unemployment. Unemployment means people will get job in these manufacturing industries, and this will eradicate poverty also. Countries that transform their raw materials into a wide variety of furnished goods of higher value are prosperous. Okay. Now those countries who are transforming the raw materials into valuable products, into usable products, what? Those countries are going to be prosperous because they are going to have economic strength. Okay. Much more of production, much more of money. Okay. So here we have the need of manufacturing. Next, we come to the location of industries. That how the industry, that if you are setting up an industry, what factors, what type of location do you need? So here we have two types of factors. First, geographical factors. Second, non-geographical factors. Now in geographical factors, we have availability of raw materials. Means obviously if you have raw materials, then only you can transform them into usable products, and then only manufacturing can be done. So first geographical factor is availability of raw material. Second is availability of water. Obviously if you are transforming raw materials to usable goods, you will need water also, and good climate. Okay, for this, these are the geographical factors: availability of raw materials, availability of water, and good climate. Then we have non-geographical factors. Availability of electricity. Obviously, in industries, you need electricity. To run an industry, you need electricity. Okay, so the first point in the non-geographical factor section, we have availability of electricity. Second is cheap and skilled labor. You need labor at less rate and skilled labor so that they have the skills. Okay. Transport and communication facilities so that goods can be transported. Okay. Market. Now you have to first think about the market, that whenever you are set up in an industry, you always think which comes into your mind is the market. Okay, where you can buy or sell your goods. Capital investment, obviously money is most important in this. And suitable government policies, means according to the government policies, setting up of an industry. So these are some geographical factors and some non-geographical factors. Now industry. Raw material. Agro-based industries. Now industries also, we have different types or different factors on the basis of different, we have of the basis of different kinds, we have different kinds of industries. Okay. First industry is on the basis of raw material. Agro-based industries. As the word it says, agro-based industries means here the raw materials is provided by agriculture. Okay. Secondly is mineral-based industries. Mineral requirement industries. Okay. Those industries which require mineral as the raw material are mineral-based industries. So on the basis of raw material, we have two types, agro-based and mineral-based. Second, main role. Now, basic or key industries. Basic or key industries means the basic things, okay, which every person uses. Every second person uses the basic things, okay. So that is basic or key industries. And second, we have consumer industries. Those industries which produces, which manufactures for the people, okay. Then we have capital investment. Small scale industries. Okay, small scale industries means a less investment. Okay, and secondly, we have large scale industries which requires a large type of investment. Then we have ownership. Public industries. Public industries means it is, we can say, it is owned by some government. It is owned by some company. Okay. Private industries means running by an individual. Third, we have joint sector, public and private too. Okay. And fourth, we have the cooperative sector. So these are the basis of ownership: public, private, joint and cooperative sector. And last but not the least, bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. Okay, what can be the weight of raw materials and the finished goods? Heavy industries. Okay, means the weight, okay, the use and the weight of the raw materials also and the finished goods also. So first we have heavy industries which has much of bulk and much of weight. And second is light industries which have less of bulk and less of weight. Okay, so these are industries on the basis of raw materials, main role, capital investment, ownership, bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. Now, on the basis of source of raw material. Now, in this, we are going to study about one section on the basis of different types. We have just recently saw that we had studied the basis of raw material, on the basis of bulk and weight, on the basis of main role. Okay, so now we are going to discuss it one by one. First, we are going to talk about the basis of source of raw material. First is agro-based. Agro-based means agricultural. Okay, it is related to agriculture, that the raw materials which is provided by agriculture, it is based on those industries. Use agricultural raw materials. Okay, those industries which uses agricultural raw materials, means raw materials provided by the agriculture, is called as agro-based industries. For example, we can see cotton, wool, jute, silk, textile, rubber and sugar, tea, coffee, etc. So these are the examples of agro-based industries. Second, we have mineral-based industries. Use minerals as raw material. In this industry, this type of industries, minerals are used as raw materials. iron and steel, cement, aluminium, machine tools, etc. So these are examples of mineral based industries. So these two are the basis of raw materials. Then have, according to the main rule, that what is the main rule in the market. Basic and key industries. Basic industries means every second person uses the thing. Basic things or key industries. Supply their products or raw materials to manufacture other goods. Means their products, okay, those industries which supply the goods or raw materials to produce another product, another good. Okay. For example, we can see iron and steel and copper smelting, aluminum smelting. Okay. So these are supplying the products and raw materials to manufacture another product. Okay. So that is basic or key industries. Secondly, we have consumer industries. Produce goods for direct use by consumers. Those goods which are produced for the direct use by the consumer so that consumers can use it directly, those industries are called as consumer industries. For example, we can say sugar, toothpaste, paper, fans, etc. Okay, so these are the industries basis on the main role. Then on the basis of capital investment, now we are talking about here money. Small scale industries. If the investment is less than 1 crore, then it is known as small scale industry. So you can say a small scale industry is that industry in which investment is less than 1 crore. You can say, okay, a middle term, that is 1 crore. Less than 1 crore is called a small scale industry, and more than 1 crore is large scale industry. For example, run by less number of people. Example, Khandasari, good, etc. Okay, run by less number of people means less people are in those industries. Okay, in small scale industries, less people are engaged and a less investment is done. That is less than 1 crore. Then we have large scale industries. If the investment is more than 1 crore, then it is known as large scale. The middle term is 1 crore, less than 1 crore, small scale industry. More than 1 crore is large scale industry. Example, labors are more. Okay, on that small scale industry, labors were less people were engaged. And in large scale industry, more people are used. For example, cotton textile industry. Okay, so these were the industries on the basis of capital investment, on the basis of money. Then we have on the basis of ownership. Now owning a industry on the basis of ownership, first we have public sector. Public sector means it is owned by government agencies, okay, by government. And private, it is run by individuals. So public sector, owned and operated by government agencies, example, BHEL, SAIL, etc. Okay, down here are given some public sector industries, that is Indian Oil, United India Insurance. All these things are public sector. These are included in the public sector because these are run by the government agencies. There we come to private sector, owned and operated by individuals or a group of individuals. Okay, private sector in this industries are run by an individual or a group of individuals. For example, we can say Tisco, Bajaj Auto Limited, Dabur Industries, Tata, Reliance Industries Limited. These some come in private sector. Then third type of we have joint sector. The industries which are jointly run by the state and the individual or a group of individual. Okay, mixture of public sector and private sector is known as joint sector. Okay, for example, Oil India Limited is jointly owned by public and private sector. Okay, so joint sector is public sector plus private sector. Okay, for example, you can see Oil India Limited, that is oil. Last, cooperative sector. Industries are owned and operated by the producers or suppliers of raw materials, workers, or both. Okay, now cooperative sector are those industries which are owned and which are operated by the producers or suppliers of raw material. Okay, those people who are engaged in the production or supply of raw materials which own these industries, it comes under cooperative sector. Okay, they pull in the resources and share the profits or losses proportionally. Okay, now what happened? They give in the resources, they supply raw materials also, they produce goods also, and whatever profits or whatever losses they share with each other. Example, sugar industry in Maharashtra, the coir industry in Kerala. Okay, for example, this. So these are the on the basis of ownership. Public sector, private sector, joint sector, and cooperative sector. Then we come last, but based on the bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. Okay, bulk and means use and weight of the raw materials also, and the finished goods, the usable products which are made from these raw materials. Heavy industries. Heavy industries use heavy and bulky raw materials and produce heavy materials. Okay, what happened? These heavy industries, what did they do? They need heavy raw materials. Okay, and they produce heavy materials. For example, iron and steel industry. Light industries use light raw materials and produce light materials. Okay, means whatever type of raw materials are they using, they will produce that type of material, that type of good they will use. Okay, if they are using heavy material, heavy raw material, then heavy products will be produced by them, and if they are using light raw materials, then light products will be used. For example, electric fans, watches, sewing machines, etc. Okay, so these are the industries which are based on the bulk and weight of raw materials and finished goods. Then we come to agro-based industries. Agro-based were, they are used, made from the agricultural raw products. Okay, the cotton textile. Now we are going to discuss these agro-based industries one by one. First is the cotton textile. Now you have to remember these things. Okay, these questions can be asked in the examinations. The first cotton textile mill was set up in Mumbai in 1854. So the first setup of the cotton textile mill was done in Mumbai in 1854. The cotton textile is mainly located in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Why it is located in Maharashtra and Gujarat? What is the reason behind it? The reason is availability of raw cotton, as black cotton soil is present. In Maharashtra and Gujarat, we have black cotton soil, okay? Black soil which is very good for the cotton, okay? So we have more of availability of raw cotton in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Second, we have good transport facilities including port facilities. Okay, there are shipping ports also, and there are good transport facilities in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Availability of labor means we get cheap and skilled labor. Okay, good moist climate. The climate is also, the climatic conditions of Maharashtra and Gujarat are very good for cotton textile industries. Main exports: Japan, USA, UK, France, Sri Lanka, Nepal, East European countries, etc. So what are the main exports? Where are the cotton textiles industries? What are the products exported to Japan, USA, UK, France, Sri Lanka, Nepal, East European countries, etc. Cotton textile is produced by 3 methods in India. Now cotton textiles, how it is used and how it is made by 3 different methods. First is handloom, okay, handicrafts. Second, we have power looms, and third, we have mills. Handlooms, power looms, and mills. Cotton textile industries involves ginning, spinning, weaving, dyeing, designing, tailoring, and packaging to produce ready-made garments. So for all these things, cotton textile industries are used. Now, here we saw that cotton textile industries, where it was set up, when was the first cotton textile industry set up, what are the reasons behind cotton textile industry being mostly found in Maharashtra and Gujarat. We saw the main exports also. Now here we come to the challenges to cotton textile industries, that what type of challenges these cotton textile industries have to face. First is scarcity of good quality cotton. First is that good quality of cotton is very scarcely found. Means बहुत ही कम मात्रा में अच्छी क्वालिटी का जो कॉटन होता है वो मिलता है. ओके, मेन कॉटन ग्रोइंग एरिया वेंट टू पाकिस्तान ड्यूरिंग डिविजन. ओके, व्हेन the India and Pakistan was divided, when these two countries divided from each other, what happened? द मेन कॉटन ग्रोइंग एरियाज, जो ज़्यादातर कॉटन ग्रो करते थे वो एरियाज पाकिस्तान की तरफ चले गए. ओल्ड मशीनरी मीन्स the machinery techniques which we have are very old. Erratic power supply. Erratic power supply means sometimes we have more power and sometimes we have less power. Low output from labor means those people who are engaged in labor work, they give us low output. Tough competition from synthetic fibers. In today's life, we have seen synthetic fibers, for example, nylon. Okay, so a tough competition is between these synthetic fibers and the cotton textile industries. So these are some challenges to cotton textile industries. Okay, okay, students. For this is all for the day. Tomorrow, again, we will take another lecture. Thank you.